Want to get a voice from within the industry now. We have with us Mukesh Khanna, veteran star and actor, very well known all across the country and the world. Mukeshji, thank you for being with us here on India Today. Troubling times with this big investigation into the alleged drug nexus within Bollywood. What is your take on what's happening, sir, on this investigation so far? Many big names have come out. We've heard Deepika's name. She may be summoned this week as well. As a veteran actor within the industry, your view on this entire case so far, sir?
It's a very बहुत चिंता का विषय है. मैं यही कह सकता हूँ. It's something which of all these last few days, the whole इंडस्ट्री इज स्ट्रगलिंग टू प्रूव दैट कि इंडस्ट्री जो है वो पूरी गंदी नहीं है. इंडस्ट्री यहां तक कह दिया गया कि जिस थाली में खाते हो उस थाली में छेद मत करो. आई एम सरप्राइज्ड. आई मीन you are talking about trying to defend the industry. Whoever is trying to defend the industry, maybe from the parliament, maybe from anywhere, who is opposing this thought that drugs are rampant in Bollywood. And if they are either they don't know, but that is not possible. I mean, they are the people who have made their parties, big names come and go, and nobody from the public knows what goes on beyond the closed doors या closed parties. या कोई बोलता है हमारी हाउस की पार्टी है, हम क्यों बताएं? अरे बाबा, हाउस की पार्टी नहीं होती. जब ड्रग्स होता है तो वो हाउस के लिए इशू नहीं होता, वो देश का इशू होता है. So I'm surprised, but another surprising factor, which even it was told in your channel right now, that there are only girls, only heroines, only the people. What about the male actors? That is a very intriguing part. क्या हमारे यहाँ पर और all these names are so big names. They are now, right now successful people. मैं समझ सकता हूं कि strugglers are lured into the drugs.
Yeah.
But these people whom you are talking about are earning in crores.
Yeah.
They're earning in crores. And if they indulge in it, then it is just an indulgence. It is not being forced. या तो उनके अंदर घुस गया है. And it is very frightening. मैं आपको कह दूं शिव जी के देश के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. These are the people who are the icons for the youth of India. Youth look upon them.
Mukesh,
I told in one of my videos 1 year ago. Tell me.
What you're basically saying is that this drug culture is very much rampant and there is no defense against it. That's what you're saying. As someone on the inside, you're basically telling the country that while this investigation is happening, nobody can deny that this drug culture is rampant.
You tell me one thing. If a person is caught with the right amount of cocaine also, any kind of hashish or drugs, he's just put behind the bars. Over here, if you are bringing out, I mean, I must not say, even you should not say, because the investigation is on.
Yeah.
This is just a tip of the iceberg, but it is just has been exposed. हमको हक नहीं है ये बोलने को कि ये लोग लेते हैं कि नहीं लेते हैं, बट ये मान के चलो कि अगर लेते हैं, वी आर टॉकिंग ऑन द हाइपोथेटिकेशन कि ये लोग लेते हैं, तो ये लोग अभी तक बिहाइंड द बार्स क्यों नहीं गए? Why are they not behind the bars? Because every common man who is caught with a drug को रखना अपराध है, ड्रग को खिलाना अपराध है, पार्टी करना अपराध है, पेडलिंग करना अपराध है. उसके बाद भी अगर हम 4 आदमी का भी नाम निकालते हैं, वो 4 आदमी अगर पता लगा कि किसी चैट के थ्रू कि ये लोग मांग रहे हैं, तो ये एक बार तो नहीं होगा. और इतनी बार होगा तो इसका मतलब, इफ आई से रैम्पेंट, इसका मतलब ये कि देयर इज नो it might be a protected atmosphere जहां पर कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता या करना नहीं चाहता, या the कानून knows about it but कानून is not doing. But it is very very dangerous for the youth of India. And see, the name of the person whom you have just given, the new name, and the one which is supposed to be the daughter of a badminton player. Very legend player. And then और आप sportsmen के कदमों पर नहीं चलकर आपने इंडस्ट्री में आया. I thought कि she also would have become a badminton player. Prakash Padukone is not a small name, but okay. But now don't you think that there is a parental guidance is not there?
No, but you're talking
what
about
she
a person
does
who's an
is
adult,
the
sir.
concern of
You know,
the family.
without going to the parents, just for a moment, I want to just focus it. I understand what you're saying, Mukesh ji, but I just want to focus
Sir,
it.
there is nothing like sir.
Yes, complete your
sir,
point.
Let me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
There is nothing like adults. There is nothing like adults when a father and a daughter and a father or a son concerned. There is nothing like ये आपको संस्कार दिए जाते हैं. आप कैसे बढ़ते हो इंडस्ट्री में जब आते हो उस वक्त तो फादर ने ही भेजा होगा ना इसको. You can't just say कि now I'm matured, I can take anything drugs. I'm opposed to it. You see.
I know.
I'm opposed to
My only point is that, sir,
child,
parents may not always know
going
what their
into this
children are doing. I'm not talking about this particular person in particular, but in general. I want to ask you, Mukesh ji, I want to ask you because you're a very experienced, very respected person. The question I want to ask you is, you're saying that it is the tip of the iceberg. You're saying that it is rampant. Give us a view. Millions of people are watching you, sir. आप एक इंडस्ट्री इंसाइडर हो. आप बताइए कि ये कितना बड़ा है ये ड्रग मेनेस जो है बॉलीवुड में. हाउ बिग इज इट, सर? टेल अस फ्रॉम योर व्यू.
देखो, let me first clarify. I have never even had a beer in my life. I have never even had a beer or a cigarette in my life. I don't go to parties. So don't quote me when I say कि it is rampant in the industry, because मैं कभी किसी पार्टी में जाके मैंने विटनेस नहीं किया.
जी.
लेकिन सुनना पड़ता, सुनते रहते, जानते रहते क्या चल रहा है पार्टियों में. हम नहीं जाते फिर भी, लेकिन कम से कम मालूम है. तो जिस तरह की एक सुख बुगाहट हो रही है आप लोगों की, जो एनसीबी ने जो अभी इंक्वायरियां निकाली हैं, उससे लगता है कि ये देखिए एक ऐसी चीज है जो एक बार किसी के अंदर घुस जाए ना, वो आदमी अपने आप को रोक नहीं सकता. ये सिगरेट और अल्कोहल नहीं है. अल्कोहल समझ में आता है, बट ड्रग इज अ क्राइम. और अगर मैं कहूं कि इंडस्ट्री में पीते हैं तो दिख रहा है. ये तो अभी मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं कि 10, 15, 50, 60 नाम निकलेंगे, लेकिन अगर ये 4 नाम भी निकलते हैं और अगर 4 नाम प्रूव होते हैं, तो आपको क्या प्रूव करने की जरूरत है कि रैम्पेंट है कि नहीं. अगर ये पीते हैं इतनी बड़ी स्टेज पर, तो व्हाट अबाउट द न्यू कमर्स, जिसको आप प्रोड्यूसर पार्टियों में बुलाता है रोल के लिए. ये कोई नई बात नहीं है. आज से 40 सालों से मैं देख रहा हूं कि आपको रोल, मैं हमेशा स्ट्रगलर से कहता हूं, जब भी आप इंडस्ट्री में काम करने जाओ अपने हाथ को मत फैलाओ ऐसा. वहीं से मीटू शुरू होता है, वहीं से मीटू कॉन्सेप्ट शुरू होता है, जब आपने मांगना शुरू किया. सो इफ दीज पीपल आर इन इट, then the availability of drug is very open. It is easy to get drugs.
Okay.
आज it is not easy to get drugs. So अगर आपको मालूम पड़े कि so the question is, हम प्रिज्यूम कर रहे हैं. मैं अगेन आपको बोलता हूं, मुझे आप ये मत कहिए कि मैंने देखा है, मैंने देखा नहीं है, पर मुझे सुगंध आ रही है. अगर क्यों कहा जा रहा है कि, क्यों कहते हैं कि थाली में छेद नहीं है. कोई मुझे लिख के दे सकता. चलिए मैं आपको एक सवाल पूछता हूं, कोई मुझे लिख के दे सकता है कि इंडस्ट्री में ड्रग इस्तेमाल नहीं होती? कैन एनीबडी गिव मी इन राइटिंग?
Okay, I hear your point, sir. I hear your point.
तो इसका मतलब है कि कुछ बुरे हैं, कुछ अच्छे हैं.
Okay, Mukesh Khanna, always a pleasure. Thank you for giving us your insight here on India Today. He says it's the tip of the iceberg. He doesn't take it himself, but he believes that it is rampant in this industry, so he's not surprised by the scale of this investigation.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.